Hey, it's Chris and Tony here at Williams-Olson Garage. Wide open tuning, something like that. Working on project OddBalt. Still taking it apart. What are we going to do next, Chris?
I think we're going to pull the rear bumper off.
Why?
See what's back there. If there's any kind of support or whatever, we're going to cut it out.
Okay. All right. Let's rip and tear. Get this thing off.
I've had every other part of this car off besides the rear bumper.
Everything except the rear bumper.
I've never had the rear bumper off.
Well, get in that booty, see what's up.
That's the booty.
Booty. So, I got a question.
Drill that to the tab.
Faster
Because your car's not going to be.
Oh shit, you're going to be disappointed. All I got to do is make it to the end of the track.
I don't have much of a...
It's on fire, you don't have a very good track record.
I do not.
How many times have you made it so fast? Got the bumper cover off. We're not going to weigh it. You going to pull out that foam?
Yes.
Alright, we're going to pull that foam, make it a little lighter. There's a clip right here. Just like that. Wire still got us. Got it. Alright.
That's like half a pound.
Alright. Everything counts. Now, we cutting this bar off?
Yes.
It does bolt. Well,
yep.
Let's not do that because this and the bumper cover get held to the bottom. So let's cut it. Let's just cut as much off as we can. Like we'll cut here, and we'll cut here, and like we gotta leave it right here. So
well, we can get some.
Let's cut here.
Real thin, flat aluminum and just make brackets.
Yeah, you know what? Look, there's bolts that hold this thing. We'll take this off because the spare tire weld's coming off, and okay. So we'll just take this whole thing off. So we got to take this plastic piece off and start cutting. We're gonna try using this plasma cutter. eBay special. I think it cost me $90. Yeah, they're 10s. So we're gonna try that. Oh my God. Oh my God. For the night, quick recap. I keep forgetting what we're calling it. OddBalt?
Oddbalt.
Project OddBalt. Quick recap for the night.
Really getting odd now.
Yeah. Cut the spare tire well out.
Used plasma cutter for the first time.
Yeah.
I used it for the first time. That's coolest fucking tool in the shop.
Coolest what tool?
Coolest freaking tool in the shop.
Yeah, I think I paid $50 for that on eBay. Pretty nice little plasma cutter. Just takes compressed air. You don't need oxygen.
Easy to use. I didn't.
Very easy to use. Point and squeeze.
15 years in automotive repair industry, and I've never used one of those.
They're nice. You don't need them very much.
No.
If you're a body guy, cutting control arms and stuff off that are all bent up would be nice a lot. But for general auto repair, you don't really need one. They're handy though when you need it, and you don't have to buy gas like you do a torch.
Wear a welding helmet and some type of breathing protection.
Unless you're on clean metal.
Unless you're on clean metal.
Cutting paint and what's it? Is this? It's not body filler. It's
sound deadening material.
No, not this. This is like
seam sealer.
Seam seal. Yeah, that stuff stinks, and it made me feel weird. My throat hurts too.
Yeah, I'm a little woozy in myself.
Is that all we did? That's all we did today, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next step. What?
You get a
Yeah, I got a little shot of this. So next step. Planning on coming out tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna take the engine out, take the cradle out. You're gonna drop the whole strut assembly and everything?
No.
Okay, you just drop the cradle?
Yeah, that's how I normally do it, but
Okay.
I do want to pull the struts out. Because they're going to go on my red car, and then I'm going to put the stock suspension on here just for the time being.
You just want this suspension on your car?
Yeah.
All right. Don't leave it alone or anything for a daily.
I'm not going to do anything to the engine at the moment.
You're not going to do anything to the engine. I know, yeah, you want to put some stuff on the channel, but leave your daily alone. Leave your daily alone.
We'll figure out some cool stuff to do.
You remember what happened to your last daily?
Yeah. I blow it up and have to have an engine in it before the weekend was over. But I have 2 years
It's not been, is it?
No.
I mean, it is. You still have 2, but this one's not going anywhere soon.
No, there's no turning back now.
No, there's no turning back. I mean, you could put it back to stock-ish. You just can't have a spare tire.
It ain't worth it.
That's a Cobalt, so yeah.
It's an oddball.
It's an OddBalt. So we're taking the front bumper off, right?
Yeah, tomorrow morning
We'll basically take the whole front clip minus the fenders.
Pull the hood off and find some safe place to put it.
We can always set it up on top of the... Nice. Maybe this weekend, if I can figure out my Lambda overlay and do some driving, maybe I'll take a little bit of videos of that, of this thing. What are we going to call this thing?
Red Rocket.
I don't know about that. Oh my God, Red Rocket. Red Rocket sounds a lot faster than OddBalt.
You're going to have to do a lot.
I'll put compound turbos on this.
You're going to get more attention off of yours than mine. On the channel and the videos and stuff.
Why?
It's just a more popular car.
Yeah, but, I mean, have you seen this thing?
Oh, it's fucking freaking filthy. It's nasty.
It's, I hate working on this.
Neglected.
I hate working on this car so much. I hate working on this car. I've had it for...
How many engines?
This is the
third
engine in the car. Second one we've put in it. Ford just got forged rods and pistons this time, but I'm trying to... I bought this car in, I think, 2008.
You had it that long?
I've had it that long. I've had this car 11 years. And I probably drove it for maybe 6 months. Maybe 6 months.
You got it. It was already boosted.
Yeah, it was already pretty much exactly the way it sits, other than the engine that's in it and the components inside of this engine. And the transmission. I had to replace the transmission. I blew up second gear. It went away all the way.
Eventually upgrade the turbo and try to do it different.
Yeah, I'm going to move the turbo. Turbo's in a bad spot. It's in the worst spot, actually. That's why it's got the filter relocation on it. Sandwich plate always leaks. It's really hard to get to. It's hard to get the turbo off. Lots and lots and lots of cussing involved with this car. Every time I work on it. And I have to take the front cover off of the engine because it leaks.
Should really yell at the engine builder for that.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have.
Yeah.
Once or twice.
A couple times.
And here I am building your race car.
I know.
Or at least cutting it up.
You're a good friend.
Dude, you're going to show up tomorrow and this car is going to be cut in half right down the middle.
Anything yet. You're just cutting shit up.